Hi, Boots!
Hello everyone, we are now diving into fascinating world of broken symmetry.
I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map!
Oh, look! Did you see them?
Do you hear some people talking about symmetry?
Arrangement of
I think it's the people over there.
such as spaces and forms on the two opposite sides of a central line.
Do you know what symmetry is?
Symmetry is described as a phenomenon when any object has identical or balanced proportion in its halves.
In some cases, symmetries are exact within the limits of present knowledge. However, equally important and interesting are the situations involving the symmetries that are broken or hidden in some manner,
Broken symmetry is change in pattern.
and loss of symmetry.
With that said, Stewart explained further explanation with three common transformations: the reflection, the rotation, and the translation.
And we'll find out what they are at the next stage.
I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map!
Boots, I think this is our destination. But Boots, do you know where exactly to go? Let's climb back and find out there. Let's go! Hi, Miss! Do you know something about broken symmetry?
Rotational is a process by which a certain object is turned in circular motion. In symmetry, the idea of rotation sometimes results in its breakage as a whole structure. Once the object has been rotated from different angles, although the pattern is still there, yet the symmetry still appear unchanged from different angles of rotation.
Hi guys, I suddenly came across reading these flower fruit. And these flowers are example of rotational symmetry because when you rotate it in any angle, either in 90 degree, 180 degree, and 360 degree, it will still look the same.
A flower. This is an example of rotational symmetry because even if you turn it around, it will look like the same. But it will become a broken symmetry if some flower become dry ups because it will change its features.
Or identical before the rotation happened. I want to gather a flower, so I'm gonna put it here.
Oh, an example of rotational. There are more examples of rotational symmetry like this, and let's find it out more in the next station.
I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map!
Boots! I think this is the location where we can find out what is her reflection. Let's go, Dora! Let's go! Yes! Do you know what is reflection?
Reflection.
Reflection symmetry, also known as line symmetry, mirrored symmetry, or bilateral symmetry, is when an object or figure is reflected across a line. This line is labeled as the line of symmetry, and it divides the object or figure into two proportional parts, equal size and equal shape.
Hi guys! I'm here at Samkara.
Look, it's a beautiful scenery of nature. We can observe symmetry around here. And look, see myself. I can see the reflection of myself. Can't you see it too? It's showing symmetry. Myself and my reflection are identical, and my reflection is seen across the line of the water here. I never thought that I can see myself through the water. It's the same shape as my form.
Did you know that a calm water is an example of reflection? But if an object or any solid object will have a contact to the calm water, it will become a broken symmetry.
And when you look around, you can also see the reflection of the sky and tree, or the nature.
And that's all. We have shown you different kinds of symmetry through reflection of things. There's one more example that we will see at the final destination will be a
Map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map!
Hi, Miss. Do you know anything about translational symmetry?
Translational symmetry. Translational symmetry means that a particular translation doesn't change the object. It refers to repeating visual elements like patterns, as long as these elements maintain the same orientation even if it undergoes movement, shift, or slide in a specific direction over a specific distance without any rotation or reflection. By dividing the figure into similar portions, along with straight vertical, horizontal, or diagonal lines, we could determine if it exists. If we succeed in doing so, the pattern is a translational symmetry.
Hello everyone! Today I am here at Bukit Amara to show you how beautiful their flower field is. And right now, I am here particularly at their sunflower field to show you how translational symmetry works in terms of our nature. Take for example this particular line of the sunflower field. As you can see, each flower grows in the patterns of three rows and 3 columns, which exhibits that is indeed an example of a translational symmetry, because no matter how you divide it, vertically, horizontally, or even diagonally, it will still show the same pattern of trees. But how can it be broken?
How can this translational symmetry can be broken? Translational symmetry in the sunflower field is disrupted when irregularities or damage, such as missing flowers or a non-uniform arrangement, cause the 3x3 grid pattern to no longer repeat consistently in all directions. This break in symmetry can occur when the uniformity of the pattern is compromised.
With that, we want to congratulate Boots and Isa for completing their journey into the fascinating world of broken symmetry.
On the other hand, we also want to congratulate everyone who watched our video until the end. We hope that you learned something from us.
So let's take our time to give each and every one of us a big round of applause. But now, it's the time to part ways with them. So, Migas, see you next time and goodbye!
Hola! Thank you guys for joining us on our journey. I hope you learned the broken symmetry. Bye guys! Let's go, Boots. Our family are waiting for us.